Tax season is right around the corner, and guess what? That pile of receipts and invoices could be the difference between a refund and a penalty. Hi, my name is Irene, the founder of Irene Consulting Firm. Today, I'll show you how cleaning up your books can save you big money this tax season, and it's easier than you think. Let's talk about it. Messy financial records can lead to missed deductions and even penalties. It's not just about organization, it's about keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Many people overlook small expenses, forget to reconcile their accounts, or don't categorize transactions properly. These small mistakes can add up, costing you thousands in potential savings. There are amazing tools like QuickBooks and 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐤 that simplify bookkeeping. Even a simple Excel sheet can work wonders if you know how to use it correctly. And don't forget to regularly check your bank statements. When your books are clean, you can quickly identify eligible deductions like home office expenses, vehicle mileage, and business supplies. These deductions add up, especially during tax season.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
Sometimes, the best way to save time and money is by letting an expert handle it. A professional bookkeeper ensures everything is accurate, up-to-date, and optimized for tax savings. At Irene Consulting Firm, we specialize in helping businesses and individuals prepare for the tax season without stress. Thank you for taking this time to watch my video. Please don't forget to like, share with other entrepreneurs who might need it. Subscribe to my channel and get the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.